Hi, hello. These are ordering numbers. We put numbers in order from least to greatest and greatest to least. For this homework, we're going to be doing least to greatest. So our least number. Which smaller is the smallest? 17, 26, 85. 17. 17 comes first when we start counting. So 17. Once we're done, we mark it. Next, what number's next? 26 or 85? Correct, 26. Once we mark it, the only number left is 85. Now let's try another one. We have 83, 82, 80. Well, which number goes first when we're counting? So 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So next would be 82, then 83. Now that was an easy one. Let's try the one down here. We have 88, 37, and 46. Well, which number comes first when we're counting? Is it 37 or 46? So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 37. We hear 37, and then we hear 46. What's after 46? 88. Now, once we're done with that side, we go move on to the second side, which is counting by twos. We practice counting by twos. There's a pattern with twos, so we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if we count by twos, it's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and we start 10, then 12. So what would be next? 14. And if we keep counting, there goes the pattern. 14, 16, 18. Okay? Now we started at 44, so this one doesn't start at 2 or 0. It starts at 44. So 44, 46, and if we follow the pattern, after 46 is 48. Now, let's try one more. This one starts at 0, so we have 30, so it would be next 32. And if we follow along, there's 32, 34, 36. And if there was another number here, we would know it would be 38. Okay? Now, you may repeat and rewind this video to remember the pattern. Remember, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. The following homework is shoes. Shoes by twos. So we're going to count our shoes. Remember, we still have our pattern right here. So we have shoes, so we can't say we have 0 shoes. So we're going to start 2, 4. What's next? We look. 6. We keep looking at our pattern. 8. Now remember, we start back at 0, but this time there's a 1 in front. 10. And we have to write our total. So our total would be 10. Okay? Once you have completed this page, you are done. See you tomorrow.